Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Jiminy Peak Mountain Resort. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, tea, coffee maker in all rooms and a bar. Nestled on Hancock, Massachusetts ski slopes, Jiminy Peak Mountain Resort offers a restaurant, adventure parks and ski-to-door access. Its spacious suites and apartments feature a flat-screen TV and DVD player. Each suite features a sofa bed and fully equipped kitchenette. The 1 and 2 bedroom apartments feature a fully equipped kitchen and 2 bathrooms. Guests can swim in the outdoor pool or relax in the indoor hot tub. They can also work out in the gym or enjoy the tennis courts. The hotel offers a ski shop, ski lessons and ski storage. On-site dining is available at John Howard's Restaurant and Brewery and Christiansen's Tavern. Jiminy Peak Mountain Adventure Resort is within 8 miles of Balance Rock State Park and Pontoosuc Lake. It is 11 miles from Berkshire Museum. The resort is powered by 100% renewable energy. A wind turbine, solar field and cogeneration facility all located on the western Massachusetts property makes the resort energy self-sufficient. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.